11:59 already. Honor the Texas flag. Oh. So I hear Richardson and also Dallas. My ribbon, it's like, I have no idea. It like,
Do you think you can hear that on the video?
I have no idea. Probably. Okay, so it looks like I only hear Richardson. I think Dallas was like, no!
Maybe because it's gonna rain tomorrow. They're like, no, it's gonna rain tomorrow.
It looks like Dallas is only testing for 1 minute. They used to test for like 3 minutes, and I have no idea what's wrong with them now. Ah.
I'm sitting right here to go to lunch right now. They have lunch.
What am I gonna do? I have no idea.
Okay.
It's November already, and it looks like December is gonna be the last one of the year. And then, I have no idea. Probably February.
What's on your head?
I have no idea. He was like, he was hiding on that tree. Okay, Richardson is done now, and it's 12:03 already, so I think it's time to go back inside and for me to head back to class, probably. And I have no idea why I left the trash in the classroom. I have no idea why I even did that.
You're weird. Hold on.
I'm not weird at all!